Alright, here comes Jeremy. He caught something. I don't know what it is, but he's moving fast and he was cheering. What'd you get, honey?
Oh my God, he's carrying a fish with him.
Did you get a fish?
Fishing in the entire
Wait,
world right
yeah! What is it?
A little grouper.
there. Yeah.
Oh, good job. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic. You got so excited.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah?
That was awesome. Easy, buddy.
job,
Let me help
baby.
you out.
Good job.
I think it's is that a parrotfish?
It kind of looks like one. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe it's a baby parrot. It is. It's a baby parrotfish.
Wow.
The blue and green. That's Peter, though, to be sure, because I'm not a fish person.
Yeah. Peter.
He's in his own world.
Awesome, dude. Say hi. Honey.
Hello.
Hello.
Good job.